Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn Company. It's Friday, October 21st. I'm going to go over the market with you for the day. It looked like you had strength here in the soybean market after closing below the 200-day moving average. You were able to close above it today, signaling range trade there, closing 7.5 cents higher on the day, actually up over 20 cents on the week there in soybeans, as you had talks of China really coming in here and buying U.S. beans. As a whole, we are right on pace where we normally are for using our exports, so we definitely have those exports built into the market. So you hear those large sales, they are right on pace of where we typically are for usage at this time frame. Corn market actually down 1.5 pennies on the day, closing 1 3/4 cents lower on the week. So not a whole lot of movement out of that as they're struggling to really get more information. You have a little bit of managed money buying, but it seems to be offset with some farmers selling as these yields continue to come in strong and seeing some harvest selling going on. The wheat market actually 2.5 cents lower, anywhere from down steady to down 6.5 cents on the week there. Where you had the pressure came from was the US dollar continuing to rally here. That puts pressure on our grains, especially corn and wheat, as they are globally driven and grown so many different areas throughout the world that it really puts ours at a more expensive price than a lot of other nations, and so that is going to hurt our export business. So you really see especially wheat be lower when you see that US dollar higher. You did come in here and have positivity into the meat markets once again. With live cattle, feeder cattle being up over $2 at one point, closing up just over $1 to $2 there. Hog market also friendly. You did have cold storage and cattle on feed here after the close at 2 o'clock. Cattle on feed was extremely friendly there. You did get a rally through the week into these meat markets, so you wonder if that was already priced into the market. You'll have to see how the grains or the meats open up Monday morning. And then those outside markets, Dow was drastically lower, was able to fight its way back, still lower, but not down over 100 like it was earlier. Like I said, dollar up higher, and then crude market close to steady on the day. So overall, what you're looking is continued yield reports coming through. You do look like you have for the next 5 to 6 days extremely favorable weather to continue harvest and make some good progress there. South America looks like they should be having some really good planting conditions going on there as well. And otherwise, fundamentally, you're not getting a lot of news here for a couple months until closer to January, when you have that big report out of USDA. For now, it's weather driven, and then managed money and technical driven as well. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk. Velocity may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great weekend.